Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync off Google Photos. First, understand that syncing off means downloading your images from the cloud to your personal device. This is crucial for creating local backups and having direct control over your digital memories. Before you begin, make sure your computer or mobile device has plenty of free storage space, ideally several gigabytes, to accommodate all your photos and videos. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful transfer process. Before initiating the download, decide whether you need your entire photo library or just a specific collection. For large archives, especially those exceeding 2 gigabytes, Google Takeout is your most efficient option. If you only need certain photos, consider organizing them into albums within Google Photos beforehand. This step simplifies the selection process, allowing you to download exactly what you need without sifting through your entire collection later. For bulk downloads, Google Takeout is the recommended tool. Navigate to Takeout. Google. And sign in with your Google account. You'll see a list of Google products. Deselect everything except Google Photos to ensure you're only downloading your images. Next, customize your archive by selecting the file type, such as a ZIP file, and your preferred maximum archive size, like 2 gigabytes. Finally, choose your delivery method, such as receiving a download link via email. If you only need a few specific photos, you can download them directly from the Google Photos website. Simply open Photos, Google, and select the images you want by clicking the checkmark icon on each one. For a single photo, just open it. Then, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select the download option. This method is quick and convenient for smaller selections, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.